What's going on, Disney fans? It's Disney Dan here with another amazing Disney Park small business product that I am obsessed with. It is this awesome guy. His name is Jackson, and he has this website called bdiproducts.com or magicbandbuddy.com or magicbandbuddies.com. And if you use the coupon code DisneyDan there on his site, you'll get 10% off all the amazing product. And before I show you how cool this is, I have to tell you a story about why this is so cool. We went to Disney World a couple months ago with my whole family, my wife and my two girls, and they had a very hard time with their magic bands. They either were constantly falling off or they were fidgeting with them, and it was just a constant nightmare. And so I remember seeing when I was doing some magic band shopping recently on a trip prior to them coming with me, that they had these cool little keychains that were Mickey and Minnie shaped that you could take the magic band puck out and put into this keychain and then wear it as a lanyard. So that's what we did. We went and got the little Mickey Mouse keychain, and then I got to thinking, they don't have enough cool designs because there's so much potential with this little thing, right? You just take the two screws out of the back of the magic band, then you get this fun little puck, and then what do you do with it? You put it in that Mickey thing? No, come on, we could do better than that Mickey thing, Disney. And so I started Googling to see if anyone had done something silly like that. Sure enough, Jackson, magicbandbuddy.com, magicbandbuddies.com, they both work, or bdiproducts.com, coupon code DisneyDan, has this store full of these amazing 3D printed, completely original like magic band puck holders. They're so cool. So check this out. Look at this Steamboat Willie design, right? And then watch. All you have to do is you unhook the little ring, and then this slides right out. You just take the magic band puck, put it right in there, slide it shut, ring through it, boom, it's in there. That quick, that easy. And how cool. Some awesome designs. Check these out. Kermit the Frog. What? How cool is that? Figment. What? The Yeti. What? This is so cool. There are tons of designs. Check all these designs out. And they're super reasonably priced, like 14, 15 bucks for these. They're beautifully designed. And so I was like, hey, come on. Hook me up with something really cool. And so he did. He pulled through. Check this out. A Disney Dan magic band puck holder. What? That's so cool. Forget the silver play button. This thing's gonna make me cry, man. This is incredible. No, the silver play button is very important to me, but this is so cool. I mean, my own custom magic band Come on, guys, that's ridiculous. And the magic band reads right through this plastic. No matter where you go, you still can scan into the parks, save your pictures, your fast passes, all that stuff. It all works, and they're incredible, and they're really sturdy and really nice. Every one of his packages comes with like a little carabiner and a little like retractable cord thing, so you can rock it in any style. And he's releasing new designs all the time, and they are amazing. They're so cool. I really just can't handle how awesome this product is and how clever this, because I was thinking, I was like in the park, there needs to be more designs, more options. Guys, if I don't see hundreds of these in the parks, like the next time I visit, you're all crazy. How could you not want a Figment? Look at the confetti coming out of it. It's that cool. How could you not want to get a purple magic band puck and put it in this Figment and rock this Figment everywhere you go? People are gonna be like, hold up, wait a minute. What is that? Because that's awesome. You'd be like, that's right, I'm super awesome because I've got Figment or Kermit or Harold or Pluto, or in my case, Disney Dan. Seriously, there is a design for every single one of you. I can't believe they have turkey legs and churros and the Infinity Gauntlet, and just just so many designs that are so cool. So go to the site, use the coupon code DisneyDan for 10% off all of your orders. BDI products, Magic Band Buddy, magicbandbuddies.com, any of those .coms, and go get these because they're so cool. I mean, like, think to yourself for a second. And you know what? I know that a lot of you are hesitant because you don't like the idea of the lanyard, like the magic band. The lanyard really works, all right? All right, the good lords above invented necklaces for a reason because they're resourceful, right? So this is like, come on, Disney, just a Mickey? No, 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 no. How about a Figment, right? How about, there's so many of them. Check them all out. I'm literally intercutting this entire little video commercial of mine full of these because I just love these. And you know, like when I do some videos and I'm like, hey, I really love this, and it's just me being like, you know, promotional. This is not that. This is me legitimately loving this. Like I love the Magic Candle Company and I love this. This is another product of mine that I think is just phenomenal. And I'm going to start hunting for more of these products. I want to bring more small businesses to you and their awesome product because we're all Disney fans. We're all Disney park fans. Let's all be together. Let's all love one another with awesome stuff like this, right? Thanks for watching, guys. You rock.
Thanks, folks, for watching Disney Dan. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. All the magic is just a few clicks away. Plus, find Dan on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And say hello. Oh, see you real soon.